YouTube affiliate marketing, how to boost your affiliate sales on the platform. Check out this video to find out how successful affiliate marketers smartly embrace the YouTube algorithm and seek ways to constantly connect with viewers while delivering value video after video after video. A must-see if you are a rookie affiliate marketer seeking to capitalize on YouTube's massive traffic, or a veteran promoter keen on finding fresh ways to boost your business and tap into new audiences and markets. Welcome to the Awesome Sweaty Kiwi Show. How you doing today? I hope you are doing fantastic. If you're doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka. Let's roll. Today we want to talk about YouTube affiliate marketing, how to boost your affiliate sales on the platform. Number one, develop a content strategy. Now you have to understand we live in an era where YouTube and Google, both owned by Alphabet, constitute the highest traffic websites, right? YouTube is the number 2 search engine after Google. So creating content for YouTube has never been easier, folks. All you need is an idea, a camera, and stable internet connection. Of course, you might need a microphone also for good quality sound, right? But that's what you really need. You don't need to spend tons of money on sophisticated camera. Your smartphone will do. Either Samsung or iPhone, the quality of the camera is fantastic already. So the best and cheapest way to get your first video done is to shoot it yourself, as most likely you already have all the necessary equipment at home. So no need to outsource anything, no need to hire anybody. You can do things yourself. It's not an easy process though. I'm not saying this is a piece of cake, but you can learn it by doing it. DIY is the best teacher. All right, now let's talk about the content itself. The technical part is important. That's the foundation, but it's not what we are here to talk about. To boost your affiliate marketing on YouTube, you need to create content. Now, developing your YouTube strategy is similar to developing any affiliate marketing strategy, whether it is on Facebook, on Twitter, on LinkedIn. The process is the same. First, you need to focus on the target audience. Ask yourself, who is more likely to find my products or services interesting? So you want to focus on the target audience, and then you want to tailor the message to that target audience, and then finally present the products and services in a palatable way. Everything should work together to deliver the chosen message and to the right audience at the right time. This is the only way if you want to generate the desired results in terms of affiliate marketing success. You can't just sit around and just shoot a video about a product or service you promote and throw it on YouTube together with the affiliate link in the description and hope that somehow people will find it interesting. People will click on it and buy the products and allow you to earn a commission. If you're lucky, that could happen, but most often what you need to do is conduct research and develop a content plan. Content planning is fantastic. We've done this. We've covered this topic over several shows in our program here. So you want to develop a content plan. What is it? A content plan allows you to fork out time and again unique content where you are answering the following question while building the strategy for your YouTube channel. Ask yourself, what is the purpose of your videos? Not just one video. What is the overall purpose of your video? What is your target audience? Some people use the fancy word niche. What is your target audience? What does your audience need? What are the pain points? Because ultimately, for you to sell, you have to be able to provide a service or a product that solves the problem, right? So what is the audience's pain point? What are you promoting exactly? What is your message? And last but not least, how will you measure the performance? It is very important. We've talked in other shows about something called SMART goals, where you You want to make sure the goal is your affiliate marketing goal is SMART, SMART, the acronym standing for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time bound. So you need to find a way to measure the performance. There are several video content types that can suit your affiliate marketing efforts. You can do educational videos. You can do product reviews and product presentations. You can do instructional videos. You're not limited to a single approach. I'm just giving you here an array of options. You can even mix, you can have a combo of all those options within the single video. So what works for one affiliate marketer might not work for another. It's up to you to find what works for you and what suits your target audience. All right, I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of Sweetie Kiwi. We're just having fun here talking about affiliate marketing on YouTube, how to boost your affiliate sales on the platform. If you love the clarity and quality of the content so far, please smash that like button, share this content with others who might find it interesting also, and comment below. Let us know what you think. Let us know do you have experience doing affiliate marketing on YouTube? And also, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. Remember, turn on the notification bell so you are informed whenever we release a new show. And we do this every single day, rain or shine. Step number 3, or tip number 2, by the way, not 3. Set yourself apart. You want to differentiate yourself. We are bombarded by gazillions of videos and messages every single day. Consequently, people's attention span is getting smaller and smaller and smaller. It's just shrinking by the day. So unless you are able to show something new, you want to differentiate yourself from the competition. You want to build a connection with your audience. Unless you can do that, chances are your videos are just going to fall into oblivion, into YouTube oblivion. Nobody wants that, right? If you want to boost your affiliate marketing, the first thing you want to do is the video to be discovered. So to set yourself apart, there are a few things you can do. You want to build a connection with your audience. You want to engage with viewers by bringing real life experiences, by looking at things a little differently. You want to let the audience know that you are in the same room with them. You also want to think about the thumbnail of your video, right? Because that's the first impression that will make people click on a video. YouTube has this thing called the click-through ratio, the CTR. That's very important. In other words, if people are not clicking on your thumbnail, the YouTube algorithm won't recommend it to other viewers, and your chances of having a successful affiliate marketing program on YouTube will diminish. So you want to have a catchy thumbnail, of course, don't do the clickbait where people put like something on the thumbnail that is totally different from the topic of the video. That's just bad, right? And dishonest. Nobody wants that. And this is definitely not a good foundation for your business. So you want to be creative and honest. Don't forget to be yourself, all right? Be crazy. Within limits, of course. Laugh. Get excited. Be nostalgic. Whatever it is, be yourself, but be genuine. You want to be honest. You want people to feel comfortable to connect with you at that level. Because at the end of the day, YouTube videos are not just about the products, cities, services you show. They're also about the strong personality behind your channel, and you want to show that. If you have a team, show that. All right. Number 3, know how to sell without selling. And this is a fantastic art. There are a lot of sales books out there that teach people how to close a deal. There are a lot of personalities that also on YouTube, by the way, who teach viewers how to close a deal, how to sell without selling. You're going to have to learn that here also. For your affiliate marketing business on YouTube to take off, you're going to have to learn to step back and not always be in your face, like trying to tell people, buy this stuff, buy this stuff, buy this stuff. There are several ways you can sell without selling. And selling without selling means that you're not saying, go click on this link and go buy my stuff. No, You can, for example, do something called the on video text box. You can add the call to action overlay to your video, and this is also called annotation, and it appears at the exact moment in the video where you want it to be. And this is, folks, a fantastic tool to drive traffic to your desired destinations. Now remember though that you can't simply put an affiliate link to annotations. Instead, it can be the landing page on your personal website or a link to your blog. You can also put a lot about your affiliate marketing strategy in the channel about tab. Every YouTube channel has about tab, and you can use that to share more information about you with your audience. You can use this space also to have a powerful call to action for your promotional offer. You also have something called the scripted pitch. This is the place where you're trying to be honest, you're trying to drive traffic and convert your audience by simply asking people to visit your website, your landing page, your blog article. Don't forget to outline the benefits of this action that would encourage people to visit your desired location. The bottom line here is that if you know your target audience pretty well, this is something you need to do. You need to know your niche. You need to know your target audience. You need to identify the pain points of that target audience. You need to find the problems and challenges that your viewers facing, and you are trying to fix those problems and challenges through your affiliate products. And once you do that, once you are able to add value to their life, and this should be the primary goal, once you're able to provide value to your audience, the secondary goal, which is monetization and making money, and this becomes, I would say, automatic. If you take care of number one, adding value to people's lives, number two will take care of itself. If you produce meaningful and interesting content, your chances of getting more traffic and engagement increase. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of Sweetie Key, where we are still here talking about an interesting topic: how to boost your affiliate sales on YouTube. Number 4, you want to optimize your video for YouTube and search engines. Now, I spoke before about YouTube being the number 2 search engine after Google, and the interesting thing is that both are owned by the same parent company, Alphabet. Now, so you need to optimize your content to improve your videos ranking on YouTube, Bing, Google, you name it. To optimize your video, you need to do 3 things. Number 1, research keywords. It's very important to brainstorm the words that your audience will type to find your video. You can use the autocomplete feature on YouTube to find out the most used search terms. You can also research existing keyword tools on the market and run them to analyze the effectiveness of the keywords you've chosen, right? Because the idea here is to find keywords that have a reasonable, decent volume, but not a high competition level. Because competition, the keywords that are highly competitive are already owned, quote unquote, by the big brands. You can't compete on that. So you got to go with the small to mid-size levels, right? So the keywords that they have decent volume, but they're not much, where the competition is medium or low. Step number 2, optimize your video watch pages. Now, after defining the keywords that people will type to search for your videos, make sure that your video title, description, and tags include those words, right? This sounds like common sense, but believe me, a lot of rookie video marketers, they mistakenly assume that video optimization is just about video and audio specifications. No, it's not. So you got to put the keywords in your title, your video title, description, and tags to make sure that the video is optimized. The third thing you need to do is to optimize your channel, your brain channel. Remember that you have gazillions of videos uploaded on YouTube every second, not even a minute, every second. So your video might easily get lost without ever finding an audience. So brain channel make it more convenient for your audience to find all of your videos. So you want to optimize your brand channel by using the right name and adding additional info and choosing the right channel type. Okay, this is very important. So this is it, folks. Just wanted to give you a quick recap on how to boost your affiliate marketing strategy on YouTube. In today's show, I spoke about 4 things. Develop a content strategy, set yourself apart, know how to sell without selling, and optimize your video for YouTube and search engines. I will see you another time, but until then, remember, stay marvelous.